New lower prices, guys. New lower prices and new packouts. These deals have been out for a couple days already. I just haven't had time to do this video. Uh, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All right, the first one, basically, it's the old BOGO deal, the old buy one get one free. So this is the 6 amp hour two battery starter kit. The upper tier for $299. Yes, it's down to $269. So they did lower the price. I think it's already been out for a while, couple days or so. But the thing is with this one is that it comes out cheaper. So a lot of you are choosing the inflator. That's the newer item. You can choose the rocket light, the grease gun, the new blower. This is the new 500 CFM blower, or the upgraded blower, however you want to call it. The cordless half an inch hammer drill, angle grinder, router, jigsaw, impact wrench. All right, so let's choose the blower because that seems what everybody's buying. I do have that personally, by the way. It works great. All right, so yeah, it is a lot cheaper. So this one's gonna come down to 107, the blower. So that's pretty good if you guys want to hack it. You guys want to return those batteries. However, you want to keep those batteries 161. That is really good as well for those high output batteries. Those are really expensive batteries. All right, let's go on over to the next one. All right, over on to the next one. The next one's gonna be Packout. So if you guys don't know, the Packout does have a buy more, save more. All right, it's not. I don't know why it's not doing it, but if you guys go to the Packouts section of the Home Depot page, you're gonna get a buy more, save more on there. Of course, a rolling cart and the compartment organizers, all of them, everything that's Packout, it's gonna be on sale for that. Let me see what the details are here. All right, so basically it comes down to spend $310 to get $60 off, spend $180 to get $30 off. Obviously, the 310 is gonna get you the best bang for your buck. So let's add this to the cart. Let's add a large toolbox. And let's add another toolbox here. Let's go on over to the cart. I'm gonna go ahead and delete the other ones that I just added, by the way. Because they will, you won't see the total price there. All right. Okay. So on this one, we got the regular prices there, and plus we do have the buy more, save more. So it comes on this one does come down to. So this one's you're saving $30. I believe I still need to put some more stuff in there. Yeah, I'm $2 short. So let me see if I can find something else that's a little bit more expensive. Let me throw another one of these in there. See if I can get the full amount. Why is it giving me an error now? All right, so now it is giving me the full $60. I'm gonna see if I can remove one of these. Still get the $60. All right, yeah. So this is gonna be as close as what I could get it to. It's not gonna be the killer deal, the greatest deal of all times, because we've seen it better. But it is something off. You get 19% off on this one. It says $60 off. So that's it, guys. Just thought I want to share this with you guys. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.